Gosh is laughing over here.
You look
I know.
so stupid.
Thank you, Tori. I appreciate that. Hey! Welcome to another edition of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. It is Christmas in July. And why is everybody laughing at me? Because I got this stupid thing. And why am I wearing this? Because it is a dish that we cook during Christmas time. It's a family favorite in our house. We love it during the holidays. It's called DIRTY Sausage English Muffins. It is really a great dish, so let's get started. This is on page 24 of the Dirty Girls Cookbook, and it's going to call for a lot. This is 1 pound of Velveeta cheese, 2 tablespoons of the original dirt. We're going to do 1 pound of 80/20 hamburger, 1 pound of spicy sausage, and we are going to use 12 of the English muffins here. We're going to split those up in half. This is going to make quite a big breakfast. What we're going to do is freeze this. Take them out when we want to, put them in the oven, put them in the microwave, and they're absolutely fantastic, so let's get started. All right, I am definitely not wearing this thing anymore. It's too hot, so take this out of here. So let's start off with a hamburger. We're gonna put the 1 pound of hamburger in here. And then we're gonna add the 1 pound of the spicy sausage. All right, we're gonna cook this down. All right, so the meat is now cooked. I've also drained it, all the grease. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the original dirt. That's 1, that's 2. All right, and now we're gonna add 1 pound of Velveeta cheese. We're gonna melt that in here. All right, now we're gonna melt this down, and then we'll get to the next step. All right, we're mixing up the Velveeta. Is that a drip? Pardon me. We're letting this thing cook down, constantly mixing. So I'm gonna give you 1 tip. Here's the dirty tidbit here today. Here comes the light coming down on me. I decided not to put the Velveeta in here. I took it out, put it in the microwave, 1 minute, mixed it up, another minute, and then I poured it back in here. It just was quicker and it's easier, just being honest with you, and I think you'll appreciate that better. All right, this is good and mixed up. All right, so now we're gonna put the mixture right on top of the muffins. Now the muffins have not been cooked. So we are going to put this in a 350 oven. We're going to put this in a 350 oven for 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, we took these out of the oven, and you can see what we've done here is we individually wrapped every single one of them. We're going to put these in the freezer because we can use these later. Just put them in the microwave. We like them in the oven, 350, 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. It will work well. So let's try this. One of the things I like to do is I'll put some hot sauce on top. That's one of my favorite things. Also, you can put a fried egg on here, which would be really good. So let's try it. Oh, wow. A little bit of work, but you can use this for weeks on weeks for breakfast. I absolutely love it. It's great for your kids, a little late afternoon snack after school. Works really well. So you're gonna love this. So remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.